Insemmilkom Mirjam Kassar bil-kodba Here Comes the Sun u Ara ġejja ix-xemx għalik. Dawn huma kodba li fassalt jiena illi l-iskop tagħhom u biex ikonna kodba bil-vokabularju u fl-istess ħin fuq il-kunċett ta' Association of Ideas. Nassoċjaw l-idejat fl-imkien. Mela għanna nagħmel introduzzjoni bl-Ingliż. Hi, I'm Miriam Kassar. I'm the author of these books, these sticker books. Here Comes the Sun and the Maltese version, Ara ġejja x-xemx għalik. These books I've planned them on the Association of Ideas concept, and these are actually vocabulary books. We have more than 300 words in the English version, while the Maltese version has more than 350 words. So the idea is to have names with the capital letter, which you can see. The last line of each page is dedicated to names. And then each letter has a sticker. The letter P page, for example, has the sticker of a prince. On the right-hand side, you can see it. And on the other side, facing the prince, you can find a picture or draw something with which begins with that letter. And we also have the English rhyme, pat a cake, baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. So I've dedicated this page to the pronunciation, different pronunciation when P is followed by an H. In fact, the grammar pointer in the middle says letter P next to letter H makes the sound of F. We write these words. So as you can see, I've underlined the words which have PH in them, and you can listen to these words. Those people who know how to read English: phone, phase, photo, the fourth line, graph, orphan, sphere. So although there's the P, letter P in these words, the pronunciation is different. For example, to the first line, pork, patrol, and peg. So these 12 words, they might be new to you, but you have examples of how they should be written, and the different types of pronunciation that you'll find when you meet these words. So I'll continue on my Maltese version. Kont qed nispjega dwar il-verżjoni bl-Ingliż ta' dawn kodba li huma bbażati fuq l-Association of Ideas, nassoċjaw l-idejat, jiġifieri f'dan il-każ nassoċjaw litra li qiegħda fuq net fin-nofs, nassoċjaw l-sticker li qiegħda fuq naħa tax-xellug, f'dan il-każ sticker ta' ners, u nassoċjaw it-taqbila ma' daw il-kelma li għandna fuq naħa t'isfel tal-paġna. Fl-aħħar vers ta' dawn il-kodba dejjem ikun iddedikat għall-ismijiet, kunjomijiet, ismijiet ta' postijiet, għaliex dawn irridu jinkitbu b'litra kbira. Qegħdin fil-paġna ta' litra N ta' ners, N ta' numri, sibt stampa ta' numri qiegħda fuq in-naħa tal-lemin, għandna taqbila ninu tal-miliet ommu tagħmel il-qaqiet tal-qastanija Santurokku tat-Tiġrija, imbagħad għandna litra N inkiteb bina waħda biss u tuħu l-artiklu in. Poġġi l-artiklu in u erġa' kteb il-kliem. Iva, hemm ħafna x'tagħmel b'dawn il-kliem, pereżempju l-ewwel kelma għandna in-nisa, x'inhija n-nisa. Meta jitlu singular u plural, pereżempju. Nemusa, nuċċali, hemm nistgħu nagħmluhom dawn it-12 kelma skont l-alfabet, nistgħu nagħmluhom skont is-sillabi. Hemm ħafna affarijiet tagħmel bihom dawn it-12 kelma u niftakruhom kif qedtilkom minħabba li nassoċjaw l-idejat flimkien. Nittama li tużawhom dawn il-kodba u għal aktar tarif kemm tikkultantjaw lili Miriam Kassar, grazzi.